Hello. You are on the channel Curatif CG Computer Graphics. In this we will continue to create a stylized character. I'll tell you about the LightKit Pro plugin from Grayscale Gorilla. I'll also show you how to pose a character using Mixamo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will open the project that we created in the previous lessons. I will prepare a model for Mixamo. I will remove the collider. I will replace all the textures with a simple material with different colors, so as not to lose the UV. I will export the character in FBX format. I will open Mixamo. I will upload the model here. I will add points as shown in the picture. Don't pay attention to the fact that his hair is flying. We will fix all this in the Cinema 4D program. I'll pick a pose for him. I will export the model. I will open Cinema 4D and create a new project. I will delete everything except the character itself. I will add original textures to the character that we created in the previous Substance Painter tutorial. I'll copy the hair and add it to the new character. But first you need to select the polygons where the eyebrows and eyelashes are located, because they are attached to the character. Let's add all the hair to a new project. Let's reset the character's pose. Now all the hair needs to be added under the head bone. I turn off the dynamics of the hair. Let's see what happened. Let's fix the eyebrows a bit. I will add a cube to the scene so that the character sits on it. Let's go to the render settings and enable physical rendering. Let's add a global illumination effect, ambient occlusion and denoiser. I will open the LightKit Pro plugin library. We see that the library is empty. To fix this, let's go to the settings. And here we will choose the path of the plugin library folder. Go to my Telegram channel to try the plugin. I will choose this studio. Delete spheres. I will add the material from the spheres to the cube. Let's choose the form and place to save the render. We will also select the render resolution. Forgot to add the hair render effect. Let's add it. Here's what we got. Thanks for watching, my dear friend. Subscribe to the channel. Go to my Telegram. Until the next video release. Bye.